In commercial architecture, hygiene is the new luxury. Introducing Fontana Touchless Motion Sensor Faucet. A classic, intuitive integration for the modern vanity. For high-volume traffic hubs, it offers timeless efficiency. Its internal structure also made up of brass to prevent rusting. Water seal body structure, both for deck and wall mount. Supports both AC and DC power options for flexible installation. It tolerates wide pressure variations. Continues water flow with zero splash. Wall mounting elevates the aesthetic by clearing the floor plane. It's designed to meet all U.S. plumbing standards, ensuring accessibility in all public spaces. Ideal for hospitals where cross-contamination is a zero-tolerance issue. Instant cutoff time, within a second. Tested for 3,000 cycles. Surface treatments designed to resist water spots and bacteria. Fully ADA compliant. Maintenance access and installation is simplified via rear service panels. Diamond hard ceramic valve core material. Having the flow rate of 6 liters per minute. Adaptive internal sensor that can sense hands instantly. Laminar flow reduces noise and maintains a dry, clean vanity. FontanaShowers. The new standard of excellence.